Hey everyone, welcome back to the Iconic Brand Breakdown, where I break down big brand strategies so you can apply them to your own. Today we're talking about Grammarly and how they got massively popular, not just because it's clever, but because they nailed their SEO. Stick with me because I'll walk you through the smart moves they made with positioning, content, and tools, and what it means for your own brand's visibility. So first off, Grammarly made sure they were the answer for everyday writing questions. They targeted keywords like grammar checker and spell checker, things people search for all the time, that drove huge organic traffic. Plus, their name is so clean and obvious, people typing in Grammarly are already halfway there. How about smart SEO in action? Here's something I really love. Grammarly gives away free tools like grammar and plagiarism checkers, and they pop up at the top of searches because they're so convenient. And to that evergreen blog content related to semicolons, punctuation tips, stuff that stays relevant, and they've basically built a long-lasting presence on search engines. Grammarly structures its content like an encyclopedia for writing. They group topics like writing tips or parts of speech with interlinked subtopics like verbs or how to write an intro. That structure tells Google, hey, we are the experts on this topic, and they rank so well as a result. Also, they don't just set and forget content, they update it. Posts written years ago get refreshed, and that boosts traffic like crazy. They also use long-tail keywords to capture specific searches and create landing pages for different user needs, like detecting AI content versus plagiarism, so users find exactly what they came for. So what does that tell us? That lasting SEO isn't about shortcuts. It's about giving people value, structure, and relevance. Want your brand to show up for the right searches and stick there? That's what we help you build at WCD. Thanks for watching the Iconic Brand Breakdown. Go ahead, like, subscribe, and let me know which brand you want me to break down next. See you soon.